Next on Scratch coding cards, we have make a melody. And in order to this particular activity, we are going to use this instrument from the music category inside the sprite library. And this is the instruction set that we are going to give to this particular sprite. And basically, when you are going to press the up arrow, so this is going to play this instruction set for us. In order to begin this activity, we are going to open the Scratch application and we are supposed to go to the sprite library and look out for the desired instrument. We can use the search box also. And once you take this particular instrument, we can delete the cat sprite as this is not required right now. And we are supposed to give the backdrop also. So in the search library, in the backdrop library, in the search box, we can look out for the theater, the same background as we have worked upon earlier. And now is the time to give the instructions to this particular sprite. So the first instruction from the events category is that when you press the up arrow key, and you can take any other alternate key also as per your convenience. I'm using the same as given in the coding cards. And from the sound category, we are going to use the start sound block. And basically, there is a drop down arrow next to this, and inside that, many sounds are there. Basically, many notes are there. So you can use a lot of variations accordingly. And I'm going to use the same notes as was given in the coding cards. So I'm just right click and duplicate all the blocks and join them together. And from the drop down list, I am choosing the notes as was mentioned up over there, like C2, G, and E. And I'm going to just join it up over there. So once I press the up arrow button, so we can see how this is going to work for us. Great. So in order to make it continuous, we can surely add a repeat block or a forever loop also as per the convenience.